My name is Boštjan. I'm the manager from Perpetuum Jazzile vocal group. Take a look. Yes! That's nice. Yeah, that's triple chocolate, man. Let's watch some weight. Are preparing actually our new repertoire. We might go global with this. We're gonna have the novelties of George Benson songs, ABBA, maybe Billy Joel, and of course this. And what is this? September from Earth, Wind and Fire. Yeah, a great group. Yeah, let's take a look. I'm gonna get the cake. This is a bit wobbly. Oh, I blew a candle. This is just a small treat from me, and of course this is all thanks to our worldwide friends and fans, of course from YouTube. Do you have anything to say to them? Tomasz, what do you have to say for our worldwide friends from YouTube?
I don't have enough wind for 1,000,000 of candles, but
we have enough singers, though.
all help us. I would like to thank all, and don't stop to share our love of vocal music. We are preparing new arrangements of the best pop music ever, and you will hear how the Perpetuum Jazzile sounds. Yeah.